Everything you are, oh my good Lord, you got me going far. You slip out the back with your white t-shirt and your high heels on. You turn the key, I'm begging, please don't turn that engine on. And I said, I keep chasing, I keep chasing, I keep chasing you. You keep me loving, you keep me loving, you keep me loving. All that you do, all that you do, ooh, ooh. So I'm chasing after you, ooh, ooh. Come on. Blinded by your headlights and your sway. Remind me to thank your mama for what she passed away. And when I kiss, you make me wish I had that every day. But when it's all it takes and I won't let you get away. I keep chasing, I keep chasing, I keep chasing you. You keep me loving, you keep me loving, you keep me loving. All that you do, all that you do, ooh, ooh. So I'm chasing after you, ooh, ooh. Yeah, come on. You are my liquid dream, you don't have to believe me. I know that I'm awake cause my eyes can't see it. Wish you were a queen so I call you Beyonce. Wiggling your hips with your lips like Scarlett. Look like Jay Lawrence, hair like Farrah Fawcett. Catch her if you can like a quarterback's girlfriend. Katy Perry, everything, Miley's always tasting. I sold up my heart but I can't stop chasing. I can't keep chasing. Come on. I can't keep chasing. I can't keep chasing after you. I can't keep chasing. I can't keep chasing. I can't keep chasing after you. Why you playing hard to get when it's as good as it can get? Or do you just like the feeling? Feeling hot shake of me always wanting more. Better push down flat to the floor. Heart pounding in my chest, you made me a mess. Yeah, yeah. I keep chasing, I keep chasing, I keep chasing you. Cause you keep me loving, you keep me loving, you keep me loving. All that you do, all that you do. I keep chasing, I keep chasing, I keep chasing you. You keep me loving, you keep me loving, you keep me loving. All that you do, all that you do. Ooh, ooh. So I'm chasing after you. Ooh, ooh. Come on. Ooh, ooh. Chasing after you. Ooh, ooh. All that you do.
This dance is called Stop the Chase. Choreographed by José, Miguel, Belloque, Vane, Adam Åstmar, and Ryan Hunt. It's an 80 count, 2-wall, phrase, advanced double line dance. There are part A 32 counts, part B 32 counts, part C 16 counts in this dance. The dance sequence is A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, B, C, C. Now let me go over part A. Part A has 32 counts. Section 1 of part A starting with the left foot, V step. Step left foot forward and out, right foot out, left foot back and fan your right toes out, right foot back and fan your left toes out, quarter turn left to 9 o'clock, left foot, side rock, recover together, right foot, big step, side drag your left, together, pop your right knee. Section 2, right foot, rock forward, recover together, walk forward, left, right, quarter turn right to 12 o'clock, step left foot side with a hip turk twice. Quarter turn right, step left foot side, roll hip, counterclockwise, roll hip, counterclockwise, way back to the left, 1/8 right to 130. Step right foot forward, close your left and kick right foot forward. Section 3, right foot cross, 1/8 right, left foot, back, ball, cross, side, facing 3. Hinge half turn to your left, left foot side, facing 9. Pop right knee in, heel off the floor. Pop left knee in, heel off the floor. Recover back to your left foot and snap your right hand across, look to the left. Section 4, quarter turn right, right foot forward, half turn right, left foot back, facing 6, right foot, coaster step, left foot, step, lock, step, right foot forward, scoot, left foot behind and hit your right, right foot forward. This is part A with the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now let me go over part B. Part B has 32 counts. Section 1 of part B, starting with the left foot, diagonal rock step. 1/8 left foot, rock forward, recover, facing 1030, left foot, back lock step, quarter turn right to 130, right foot, rock forward, recover, back lock step, facing 130. Section 2, 3/8 to your left, left foot forward, facing 9, quarter turn left, right foot side, facing 6, 1/8 left foot, sailor step, facing 430, camel walks, right foot forward, pop your left foot forward, pop your right, scuff, right foot forward, out, right, left. Section 3, snake roll twice, bending knees slightly, to the right, to the left, right foot, big step, side, drag your left, ball, cross, snap your right, 3/8 to your left, step left foot forward, facing 12, half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left, now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 4, left foot ball step, back recover forward, close your right, and put your right hand in front of your chest to start the heart shape. Put your left hand in front of your chest to complete the heart shape. Hold 1 count. V-step on heel. Right, right foot back, left foot cross. Hold 1 count. Right foot, side rock, recover, cross. This is part B with the counts 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Now let me go over part C. Part C has 16 counts. Section 1 of part C, starting with the left foot. 1/8 left to 1030, left foot, rock forward, recover, step left foot together, and place both hands on thighs, moving up to your body. Push bum back and repel up. Right foot, cross, 1/8 right, left foot back, right foot, side chassé. Section 2, 1/8 right to 130, left foot, rock forward, recover, step left foot forward, flick right foot back and square up to 12, snap your right foot forward, pivot half turn left facing 6, right foot, shuffle forward. This is part C with the count 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let me go over the ending, the last C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now change the step to shuffle half turn to your left. 7 and 8. Then step left foot back, touch right toe forward, point your right index finger forward, ending. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.